Most beginners think buying crypto without an exchange is complicated. It's not. You just need the right wallet and the correct steps. First, go to Play Store or App Store and download a self-custody crypto wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Open the app. Tap Create New Wallet. The app will show you a 12-word recovery phrase. This is the most important step. Write these words on paper. Do not screenshot. Do not save in phone notes. Anyone with these words can take your crypto. Confirm the words inside the app to finish wallet setup. Now your wallet is ready. Next step, buying crypto without an exchange. Inside the wallet, tap Buy. Choose the coin you want, for example USDT or Ethereum. Select a payment provider shown in the app. Enter the amount you want to buy. Add your card or payment method and complete the payment. Once payment is successful, crypto will arrive directly in your wallet, not in an exchange account. You can also use the P2P option if available. Choose a verified seller, send payment through UPI or bank transfer, and crypto gets released to your wallet after confirmation. Always double-check the wallet address before sending or receiving crypto. One wrong character means funds are gone forever. This video is only for educational purposes. Always do your own research before investing in cryptocurrency. If you want more simple crypto guides, subscribe and keep learning step by step.